guys, welcome back to Beauty Bees. Today I was walking my dog, I got back and I found this sitting on my front porch. I subscribed to the Allure beauty box. I just started my subscription this month, and honestly I'm pretty sure that I'm going to end my subscription this month. It's not because I think that this box is bad or anything. I've gotten it in the past. I think I've gotten 2 boxes previously, and I've liked what I've gotten in it. It's just, that's a lot of products that I didn't pick to be coming into my life every month. I don't need to spend $25 a month on rando items. But I subscribed using some kind of Black Friday deal, and I got this box for $15, and supposedly there are 2 free gifts inside. I don't know if the free gifts are actually here or not, but let's take a look at what we have. Starting off with, oh, I'm pretty sure this is what was at least one piece of the free gift. This is from KVD. It is their full sleeve tubing mascara. This is one of the 2 things that really drew me into the box, because I can always use a beeswax free mascara, which this is, and for $15, I think this is like a $29 mascara normal price, so I hope it works out for me. I haven't tried it before, but I have liked the one other tubing mascara that I've tried before. And this is the other thing that drew me into the box. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream from Tarte. We were able to pick shades, and I picked the shade Mauve. I think they had 4 or 5 shades available. I didn't actually think to look if this has beeswax in it. Let me do that real quick. Okay, I did the quick scan of the ingredients list, and it seems like this is going to be just fine for me. So let's see what these look like. Are these? Oh, I thought these were the click pens. No, this is a twist up, but it's comfortable. That's a pretty shade too. Cool. Honestly, I feel like between the 2 of these, this made the box for me right there. Now let's grab everything else out. Next, we have a Grown Alchemist Hydro Restore Day Cream. So facial moisturizer. Looks interesting. And this is quite a large size. This is a 65 ml or 2.1 ounce size. Usually the day cream that I get is 1.7 fluid ounces, so that's a nice size difference. It's very cold. It's a metal tube. I've never tried this product. I'm interested to give it a go. We'll see how it works out. I was really thrown off when I saw the drug facts on the back, but it's a sunscreen. So this is from Innisfree. I think I have a miniature Innisfree sunscreen that I keep in my purse. Cannot swear that that's the brand, but I think it is. This is their Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 45. This is definitely not the sunscreen that I have in my purse, but I'm interested to give it a go. I don't have a strong preference between mineral sunscreen or not. I'm always looking for small sunscreens to keep in my bag because I go out in the sun and I fry. Let's get a little bit of this on my hand and see what the texture is like. So it's white, but it seems, yeah, I think that's gonna leave a terrible cast on people. But it's kind of sticky. I don't know, I'll give it a go. And this is not exactly a large sample. I'm sure that this will be in an empties in the near-ish future. So I'll let you know my thoughts after I've used it up. Okay, next up we have a renewing hand serum. seems nice. In the signature scent, what does that even mean? I assume they're just the original from Palm. But is this open? Oh, it just smells like standard lotion. So it's like Lubriderm or something. 60 mils, so it's a reasonable size. I think the ones that I get from Bath & Body Works, their hand creams are usually 30 mils. So it's a nice size. It seems fine. I am certain that this is way more expensive than it needs to be, but that's okay. Next we have a True Soft Argan Oil for the hair. This is from Maria Nilla, which is a brand that I am using a hair mask from right now. This is my post-wind hair, so don't judge the hair mask on this. But I like the hair mask so far. I've only used it once or twice, but it seems nice. I think I actually got it in another Allure beauty box. It's not a brand that I even know where to get, but I'll be interested to give this a go, see how it works out for me. And okay, 2 more items. We have a little Sephora brand sample. This is the Vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. Now I'm kind of 2 minds about getting this product. I don't think it's a real value adder because it is a pretty small sample. This is only 1/4 ounce, but it is kind of neat to get a Sephora brand product in a box like this. I've noticed that Allure seems to have some different brands than a lot of the other boxes do. I've seen them have Sephora brand, I've seen them have Lush and Bath & Body Works, and I don't really see those in Ipsy or BoxyCharm, which I guess are the same brand now. But anyway, little Sephora serum. I'm drowning in serums right now, so I don't know when I'm gonna get to that, but I will eventually. And then last but not least, we have the other half of the new subscriber gift, which is this Ico lash curler. I do not currently have a lash curler. I swore them off a couple of years ago, but you know, maybe I'll give them a go. I do feel like my lashes can sometimes be a little bit too flat. Maybe this would open my eyes up a little bit more, but we'll see. Because they also look like medieval torture devices. Let's just all agree on that. Okay, so that is what I got in the box. We have the gift for new subscribers of the mascara and the lash curler, which I like because those items make sense together. Then for the full-size products that we got in the box, we have the hand cream, the facial moisturizer, and the lipstick from Tarte, as well as 3 smaller products. I suppose that this might be a full size, but I imagine this is a deluxe size of the argan oil, the serum, and the little sunscreen. Overall, I feel like this was more than worth $15. If I had paid the original $25 price tag, I still would be happy with this box. But it's not so amazing that I'm like, I must subscribe to Allure and receive the box every month going forward. I don't feel that way at all. But I think that these products are going to serve me well. I see myself using everything in this box. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you've ever subscribed to Allure Beauty and what your experience has been. I know that can be really helpful when people are making the decision about if they would like to subscribe themselves. Thanks again, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.